Hello, hi friends. Today we are going to discuss general questions about the multiple domain hosting. First of all, what is multiple domain hosting? First of all, we are going to discuss the multiple domain hosting. Multiple domain hosting we are need when we have many domains, but we are no have many hosting accounts. If we have a simple hosting account, we can install many domains on it. Then this is called a multiple domain hosting. We can use many domains in a single hosting plan. Cause this is called the multi-domain hosting. What is website describe? It is a web hosting account where you can host more than one domain name within one hosting cPanel. Yes, if you have a one hosting account, in this hosting account you can add many domains. You don't need to buy any hosting for your every domains. It gives you advantages of doing such things as creation of emails account, updating files at Extra from within one web hosting panel. You can create and manage and you can work all in a single panel. In a single account, you don't need multiple account to log in. For if you have 20 domains, you don't need to 20 username and password. This is the very much difficulty to understand 20 username and password for different domains you have in this criteria. You have a single hosting account. In this hosting account you can add multiple domains, and you can also manage all these domains in a single username and password. Even that you can set the access the all files and folders and emails account and subdomain also in a single username password. And the second question is, one domain register is free, what cost remaining domain? Yes, one domain, that is the main domain of for this website, is free for you. This is maybe consist of .com, .net, .org or .info domain. Or you can buy, you can use any type of domain name for this domain that are free for you. But if you are need any more domains for your hosting, you have to buy for this. For each domain you have to pay of amount for your according to your country, which country or which your company charge. But at this time unique links charge 1175 rupees per domain at the today rate is. Yes, and the next one is question is, will each domain be visible of the internet separately and have its own email address? Yes, each domain named in a multiple domain hosting account will be visible with its own name. No, no access like like if we are creating a subdomain, you will be have to write the subdomain name, then the major main domain name, then you can access the your subdomain. But in this criteria you have a direct access the desired domain name, like any company.com, yahoo.com. This is the complete. You have to write the genuine name, and system net will be redirect you to your desired website. You don't in he know any, you don't judge this is the single hosting or a multiple hosting, just like. And this is work just like an independent domain. Yes, this will be work by independent domain. Each of the domain will also have its own email addresses like info@domain.com, one.com, domain2.com, and every and every domain have own email addresses and will be called own names like info@domain1.com, and if the domain 2 and the info@domain2.com. Every email account can be accessed by their own domain name, not a major domain name. And the next word, can use unlimited space in betweens. Yes, The word unlimited where used the mean that will be support your requirements for given the services as long as it does not overloaded the CPUs and not high unreasonable. Yes, you can use the unlimited sources. These are sources are maybe limited at a specific time, but at this time you can we will be this company Unique Links provide you unlimited space, like a maximum space for your business. Maybe they think they never less for your business, therefore they are called unlimited, but this is maybe limit at that specific time. And what is share hosting? Why share hosting? At this time, we are the next topic is why share hosting. Share hosting. So first of all, this is the 99% uptime guaranteed. You can update it, can uptime and guarantee anytime you can update to and share to dedicated hosting. There are two type of hosting, share hosting and dedicated hosting. And share processes and the data source that is on the need to know the basics. Yes, the second is safe and secure. This is the share hosting is 100% safe and secure for you and your business. This is the share hosting. Mostly company and the mostly domains are in the world are working on the share hosting, not a static single hosting, because the single hosting is much coster than the share hosting. Share hosting is very cheap than a than static hosting. And the dedicated supported team, this company, I mean to say Unique Links provide you dedicated support team, as many people are available for you anytime to support you for if you have any problems, any issue for your business. This is the a chart that will be show to who to work. The basic is the basic domain, and this is the starter package, and then the enterprise package, then the business package, then the professional package. All packages, this basic package have the less benefits, and then the starter package has the more benefits than basic package, but less than enterprise package. After this, enterprise package have the more benefits than basic and starter, but less benefits than the business and professional hosting package. And the business package, you will be know basic, starter and enterprise have the less benefits than business, but the only one is package available for the higher for this business package. At the end, if you have a web designing company, if your company has a more data and more work for, then you need to a professional hosting for your business. This professional hosting is best than business hosting, best than enterprise hosting, best than starter hosting, and best than basic hosting. Therefore, we will be recommend you if your business is a lot of domains, then you need a professional hosting for your business. They will be provide you unlimited domain hosting, provide you unlimited bandwidth, unlimited disk space, unlimited email accounts, and unlimited. You can add the add-on domains. You can add unlimited subdomains. They can also provide you unlimited database in this hosting. Thanks for your watching. Please keep watching our channels. We will and subscribe my channel. We will be you will be get a notification when we are uploaded any video. Thanks for your watching.